global warming. Global warming is not a trend. Our earth is just mighty end. So good evening everyone. My name is Nikita. First of all, I am thankful to everyone to give me a great opportunity to speak my great views on global warming. So we are sitting here and thinking about that what is global warming and why we speak about this. So first I am telling you the points. What I am speaking that global warming, what is global warming, causes, effects and how can we control it. So I am talking about that what is global warming. You can see that the temperatures increases rapidly over the past centuries. So the temperature increases day by day. It's affect a lot of in our life because we are suffering from the great summer and we can see that the summer is very high and we are suffering from the great temperature over the past centuries. It means the people want fossil fuels and we are affected by the climate change. Over the past centuries, we can see that we can take the data of all these things. The temperatures increases day by day. The humans are more responsible. Not humans are more responsible. The earth has already experienced by the great global warming, but nowadays humans are more responsible. So how the global warming is causes? It is causes by the carbon dioxide and chlorofluorocarbon. You can see that chlorofluorocarbon. It is produced by the refrigerators, ACs and many other things. You can see that the AC, we are enjoy the AC but we don't know about the black truth behind this. Because the chlorofluorocarbon is increases and it increases, the global warming is also increases. If we want to control it, we have to control our desires. So we can see that the rising in the temperature and the rising in the sea level. The sea level is rises. We are suffering from storm. We can see that nowadays we can see the news. We can see the storm is arises and the people suffering from hunger, malnutrition, from the chance of employment. So this rise in temperature causes great summer, loss of biodiversity, and our species are extremely extinct. Our one scientist, we can say that NASA has discovered that if one day our species and biodiversity is completely lost, then our earth just mighty end. So we can imagine if it's only biodiversity and species are lost, then we can lost our lives. So we have to save this earth and species and all these environments. So we have to save this. Carbon dioxide is increases. We take oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. It means population is also responsible for increase in global warming. The population increases day by day. We are suffering from great summer. We can see that the temperature is very high nowadays. Carbon dioxide releases. That means the great amount of carbon dioxide releases. So I am telling about that how can we control all these things. If we can walk, we cannot drive. If you don't drive, you can save 2 kg, 2 pound of carbon dioxide. And if you don't drive, then you can save 2,400 pound. So you can imagine that what I am saying. I am saying that if you don't drive, you can walk. Walk is also necessary. You are taking cars and their cycles for small work, going to market, also taking your bikes. But if we walk, then we can save the 2,500 pound carbon dioxide per year. So we should recycle. We can see that the household work are also responsible for the carbon dioxide. We have to control this. At last, I want to say that if you want to change the world, first of all, you have to change yourself. You have to change your desires. You have to change your necessity. Thank you. Have a nice day.